In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply TradingView chart themes. By the end, your charts will be cleaner, easier to read, and tailored to your preferences, which can make analysis faster and less tiring on the eyes. Start by opening your chart and heading to the settings gear icon at the top. This is the control center for everything visual on your chart. When you click it, a panel opens with several sections. We'll focus on the canvas settings because that's where the overall look and feel of the chart lives, including the background, grid, crosshair, and watermark. Inside that panel, choose the Canvas tab. Think of Canvas as the layer behind your candles and indicators. Adjustments here won't change your data, they simply refine how the information is presented. Begin with the background. You can select solid colors or a gradient and fine-tune the transparency on the S. If you work in bright spaces, a lighter background can keep things crisp. If you trade at night or prefer less glare, a darker tone can reduce eye strain. Aim for strong contrast between your candles and the background so patterns stand out clearly. Subtle neutral shades often work best because they let price action remain the focus. Move on to grid lines. These are the horizontal and vertical guides that help you gauge price levels in time. You can adjust their color, style, and intensity. The goal is to make them helpful without being distracting. A faint neutral grid gives you structure while keeping your attention on price. If you rely heavily on support and resistance, a slightly clearer horizontal grid can be useful while keeping vertical lines softer. Next, tune the crosshair. This is the pointer that helps you read exact prices and timestamps. Choose a color that sharply contrasts with your background and candles, and set a thickness that's visible without covering key details. If you're using dense indicators, a thinner crosshair can help maintain clarity. Then configure the watermark. This is the faint symbol and time frame text that appears on the chart. Keep it subtle, low opacity, moderate size, so you can always confirm what you're looking at without the watermark competing for attention. When you're happy with these choices, click OK to apply everything. Your changes will take effect immediately. If something looks off, you can always reopen the settings and fine-tune. A thoughtful theme makes charts feel consistent and reduces visual noise, helping you focus on what matters most: price action and decision-making.